My name is Chef Anuj Vadhavan. I'm currently working at Roseate Hotels and Resort. The property I work with is called Roseate House, which is at the Aerocity. Before opening of Kheer restaurant, as we all keep on doing our R&D, so our owner Dr. Ankur Bhatia is very much into food, and he just called me one day and he was like, I want to do something like this. Is it possible? My first thought was like raw tuna dish in Indian cuisine. I was like, okay, let's try it. So we just studied that dish, how it is being done. So we changed all the flavors the way the original dish was. So what we are doing is we are taking a raw Andaman tuna. We are throwing raw onions to it, which is chopped onion, blanched tomatoes. Then we are putting sarson ka tel, which is mustard oil to it. And then we are putting bit of a seedless green chili to it, ginger to it, and in the end we are finishing it with lemon. So that's how we have come out a creation of a raw tuna dish. And when we talk about its ingredient, it's purely Indian. Nothing which is there in that dish is an international ingredient. And then in the end we finish it with mayonnaise, which is made with curry leaves. Curry leaves is the South Indian curry leaves. So it has a very robust flavor, umami flavor, which is sweet, salty, sour and bitter, everything which is there. And in the end it's topped with popped mustard, so that's also give bit of a hint to the same dish.
popped mustard seeds are very tasty, I would say, and you feel the oil right away, the mustard oil, you just feel it right away. So yeah, you get the taste of raw tuna as it should have. It should have the taste of raw tuna, which is there, and it tastes exactly like the one you eat in sushi, but then comes the burst of Indian spices, pop the mustard seeds, mustard oil, and then curry leaves, mayonnaise. And the taste suddenly takes a turn and you feel like you're eating something Indian. And that's one of the nicest things about this dish.